This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Henrico County. More specifically, I am in Verina, and today we're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath rancher. This rancher is situated here in a 55 and better community. We've got some beautiful looking homes here. This particular home that we're going to look at today was built in 2009, so it's been around here for a while. Your $268 a month HOA includes exterior maintenance, so you don't have to cut, water, seed, do any of that exterior maintenance. It also includes a pool, a fitness center, and a community clubhouse. So we've got some nice amenities here for that monthly HOA. I know a lot of seniors don't want to deal with grass and yard maintenance. They've been doing that their whole lives, and this is the time to enjoy some other things as opposed to pushing a lawnmower. Okay, today I wanted to talk a little bit about associations. This home, of course, has an association, and some of the others that I cover do. You always want to know what homes have and don't have associations up front for a number of reasons. Associations limit some things that you can do. On the flip side, a lot of people like that. There are advantages and disadvantages. Some of the disadvantages are, obviously, the association can control some things in the community. For example, some communities won't allow boats or recreational vehicles to be parked in the property. Some of them will restrict the colors that you can paint your home, other things such as mailbox style. And the advantage is a lot of people like the idea of having some uniformity or some standards because it can help protect property value. Probably one of the most well-known cases here in Central Virginia happened a number of years ago. Out in Western Henrico, there was a home that's now definitely worth $1 million+ that was owned by an owner of a law firm. He was a Marine veteran. I believe he was a Vietnam veteran, and he had an American flag on a flagpole in his front yard. His association said, "Sir, your flagpole is too tall. You must replace it with a shorter one." And that did not go very well. As you can imagine, it turned into a huge legal battle. The legal fees were over 6 figures, and it ultimately got national attention. The association framed it as, we have a standard for flagpoles in the neighborhood and your flagpole is simply too tall. The homeowner said, "How dare you tell me how tall my American flag on my flagpole can be?" So clearly there was a huge dispute, and I'm not sure actually what happened. I do know it got a lot of attention here in the area. One of my main responsibilities as a buyer's agent is to inform and educate my buyers so they know things like this. You never, ever would want to put yourself in a position where your new home becomes a nightmare for you because of some restrictions that you are not willing to follow or didn't know about. Now, as far as disclosure goes, in Virginia, the buyer of a property that's in an association gets a package. It's called a resale package. It has the financials, the bylaws, the minutes, all the information you would need to know to evaluate whether or not you choose to abide by those rules and regulations of the association. Within 3 days, you have to say, yes, I'm fine with this, or no, I'm not. If you are not fine with the rules, regulations, bylaws of the association, you can simply get out of your transaction and get your deposit back. No questions asked. If you are okay with being in that neighborhood, then everything moves forward as planned. It's important to know this up front because your agent is able to tell you up front if there is an association. They're not going to know all of the rules and regulations until that package is received, but you do have that ability to make sure you know what you're getting into before you are obligated. Okay, we're now in the master bath. This is a jetted tub here. And the beautiful thing about this is those 55 and better bones, in many cases, they're not going to feel as good as 25-year-old bones. That jetted tub will give you that newfound energy and life in those seasoned bones. Okay, this is going to be our closet. They did the closet right in the bathroom. We've seen that many times before. And a stand-up shower here with our detachable shower head. Really, really nice. Makes it easy. You got a little seat there. If you need to take a break, you can plop down and grab your breath while you're taking a shower. Okay, double vanity. This particular home is a 2-bedroom, but there are 3 bedrooms available here in this neighborhood. This is one of the only, if not the only, 55 and better community in this part of town. So you are not going to find a whole lot of these in Central Virginia to speak of. The more and more of them are coming online, but this is probably one of the older communities and still obviously very well maintained and still looks absolutely fabulously at, I think, a fair price. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can reach on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking a tour with me today. Have a great day.